Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. Okay, today I am in this video I am discussing about the time series exercise problems. Okay, first I finish all the practical sums. Afterwards I take a theory part. Okay, in this video the first one is the moving averages and least square methods are there. Okay. In the moving average, the 18th sum, in the exercise sum, 18th one. In the old book, this edition book, that is a 18th sum, but in the new edition book, it is a 21, number 21, but the values, figures are same. Okay. Just I am solving here as a calculate 3 yearly moving averages for the following data. How to solve the 3 yearly moving averages? Here the 3 yearly, 5 yearly and 4 yearly is there. 3 yearly how to solve? Just I will show you. You are getting a 5 marks for this. Okay. And the one more thing, compulsory they will ask a 3 yearly or 5 yearly or 4 yearly moving averages. Either any one in this. Okay. Idrolage moorolage nimge yadar one compulsory keltar moving average because it carries a 5 marks question. Then the next, this is year and number of students is given in the question. Okay. Then I already written the values, number of students, and the next column you have to take it as a 3 yearly moving total, and the last column is a trend values, or it is called as a averages, 3 yearly averages. How to solve this one? You have to go on adding the values. 3 yearly means you have to go on add the 3 values, 15 plus 18 plus 17. Then you have to write it in the middle side. 3 values you have to add it. Okay. These 3 values you have to add it. Write it in the middle side. That becomes as a 50. Okay. 15 plus 18 plus 17. Then the leave first one bit bidri. First one bit 18 plus 17 plus 20. You have to add these 3 values. Then you write down the values, that is a 55. Then go on leaving 1 values and go on adding the 3 values. Then I already calculated, this becomes as a 60. Just to check once again, 68, 77, okay, 87, 98 and 109. 33 plus 36 plus 40 is a 109. First and the last one is a gap. Position is also very important here. You have to write it in the center only. Then the trend values. How to calculate a trend values? The previous column, this column, divided by 3. 3 values add ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಿಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 3 divide by 3 ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಿಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Then the answer is 50 divided by 3, that is undivided by 3 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 16.67. Then the next one is a 18.33. Okay. 20. Next 22.67. 25.67. 29, 32.67 and 109 divided by 3, 36.33. Okay. Okay. This is an answer. Okay. These 2 columns you have to calculate, and sometimes in the question they will ask a comment on it. The comment carries a 1 mark over here. how the values, trend values are there. It is in a upward trend, or it is in a lower trend, or it is in a oscillatory trend. Just you observe 16, 18, 20, 22, 25, 29, 32 and 36. It is a upward trend. The time series is a upward trend. You have to write it as a upward trend. Okay. This is 3 yearly moving averages. Okay. The 18th sum is over. The next one is a 19th sum. That is a 19th sum is I already calculated. The 3 yearly moving averages 2002 to 2009 is there. And the profit, the values is given as in thousands. Okay. 15,000, 14,000 like that up to 34,000. Then 3 yearly moving total is, you have to add a 3 values and write it in the middle side. 15,420 plus 14,470 plus 15,520. You have to add the values and you have to write it in the middle side. Just I written here. Okay, just you observe. Okay, up to that the last values 1,1990. Okay, these are the values divided by 3. We have to do it. Okay, the previous column divided by 3, the trend values, or it is also called as a 3 yearly averages. Okay, then 15,136, 17,003, 20,886, 26,363, 31,146, 33,996.67. Okay, these are the values of the trend values of the 3 yearly moving averages. This is also upward trend. This is also upward trend. Okay. Then how to calculate a 5 yearly moving averages? Next one is a 5 yearly 20th example. But I will show you how to calculate the 5 yearly moving averages. The 22nd sum. This one, ha, 21. The sum number is a 21. I will show you. Okay. Okay. 5 yearly moving averages means the same what we calculated in the previous sum, but it is, if you have to calculate the 5 values, you have to go on adding and write it in the middle side. Middle side ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 values ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ middle side ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಎರಡು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 18 plus 18 plus 21 plus 20 plus 16. If you have to take it, that is 93. Okay, then leave a 1 value and again you have to take a 5 values. It becomes 1 2 3 4 5 means it becomes the center here. Then the next is a 92. Next one is a 91. Next is a 86. Go on adding the values. 5 values. 87, 91 and 94. Then 2 values is a gap. Center ಬರ್ದಾಗ ನಮಗಲ್ಲೇ values gap ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ದು ಬಿಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Position is also very important. That's why you have to add the 5 values and write it in the middle side. Then divide by 5 you have to do it. Divide by 5. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 yearly ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you have to take it as a divide by 5. 93 divided by 5. That is a 18.6, 18.4, then 18.2, 17.2, 17.4, 18 and 18.8. Okay, these are the 5 yearly moving averages. Just to observe, this is oscillatory. It's coming down, 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 down. Again, it is up. That's why it is a oscillatory trend. oscillatory trend. Okay, one ಹೆಚ್ಚು one kadimi. It is like a cyclical variation. Then the next one is that is a 21. Some number is a 20th. Correct. It is a 20th. This one is a 21. Okay. 5 yearly moving averages, year and value. Okay. It is in decimal point. Be careful when you are adding 14.6 plus 15.9 plus 17.4 plus 17.9 and 16.5. Go on adding the 5 values and write it in the middle side. Again leaving one value, first value ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 5 value ತಗೋರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ value ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 5 value ತಗೋರಿ. Just give a gap and write it in the middle side. And these are the values 5 yearly. Add ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು values ನ 5 yearly add ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. Divide by 5 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 16.46, 16.74, 16.98, 17.16, 17.5, 18.2 and 18.7. That is also upward trend. This is also upward trend. The value is upward trend. You have to write it. This is a 3 yearly and 5 yearly moving averages. Then how to take a 4 yearly moving averages? 4 yearly moving averages is year profit 4 yearly moving averages. 4 yearly andaga m is equals to 4, that is a even number. Okay, even number ಬಂದಾಗ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, one column is here the 5 columns are there. In the previous 3 yearly and 5 yearly we calculated as a 4 columns, but here the 5 columns. Then how we are calculating a 5 yearly moving sum? Then we are adding the 5 values 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here 80 plus 85 plus 82 plus 90. If have to add a 4 values, write it in the middle side. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್. Okay, better if have to take like that when it is a even number. Then the value is 337. Okay, then you are leaving a 1 value. Next again you have to add a 4 values, write it in the middle side. That is a 357. Next 367, 370, 364, 362 and 367. Write it in the middle side. Middle side ಬರ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. That's why better you take like that when it is a even number. Even number ನಿಮಗೆ 4 yearly ಒಂದ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಗೆ. That's why you have to take 4 yearly moving averages like that. Then the 2 item. Again you have to go on adding the 2 values. Okay. Write it in the middle side. 694. Again leaving a 1 value. Again go on adding the values, 2 values. Okay. 724. Next 737. 734. 726. And these 2 values in the middle side. 729. You have to go on adding the 2 values again. Then the trend values, how to calculate means you have to calculate divided by 2m. 2m means 2 into 4, that is 8. Divide by 8 ಅಂತ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀವಲ್ಲೇ 4 yearly ಬಂದಾಗ divide by you have to take it as a 8. Then what is the value? 86.75, 90.5 divided by 8 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 8 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಯರರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 92.125 and 91.75, 90.75 and 91.125. This is a 4 yearly moving averages. Just you observe. I will check the answers. 86. 75 up to 91.12. Okay, correct. Then the next one is a 23, some number 23, that is a 23, okay, 23. Then it is a, this is also same. If you have to calculate, once again I will tell you, you have to go on adding the 4 values and write it in the middle side. 1964. Next is a 2002, 2027, 2066, 2170, 2254, 2326. You have to go on add the values, 4 values, leaving a 1 value. You have to add. First 4 values add ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ನಡು ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. Next 1, 2, 3, 4 values add ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Write it in the middle side. Again you are leaving 2 values and again you have to add a 4 values and you are writing in the middle side. Next you are adding a 2 values. Then that is 3,966, 4,029, 4,093, 4,236, 4,424, next 4,580. Okay, you have to go on adding the 2 values. Then after that divide by 8 the trend values. You have to calculate, divide by 8. You have to do it. 495.75 divide by 8 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. Next is a 503.63. Then 511.63. Then 529.5 and 553 and 572.5. Okay, and just check the answers. Okay, 495 to 572.5, correct. Okay, these are the trend values. These are the trend values. This is 4 yearly. Okay, students, here ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ 5 yearly, 3 yearly, 4 yearly and 5 yearly. Okay, if 3 yearly ಮತ್ತು 5 yearly ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 4 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್. ಅವ್ರು 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಬಟ್ 4 yearly ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ 5 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, 5 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಇದು ಮೂರನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವೆರಿ 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 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. 5 marks, 1 question from time series chapter. Okay students, this is completed. Moving averages is completed. And the next video I will solve the straight line trend. The least square method ಒಳಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್. ನಾನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಂತೆ. Okay students, thank you for watching the video. I hope it's useful for you. Okay, take a useful and once again all the best for your midterm exam compulsory 1 question ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಅಂತ 1 question compulsory ಬರ್ತದ. Okay, subscribe, like and comment the video.